We first look at x and 6. Then we take it out. X plus 3. So we see that 6 is halved. First step is to divide by 2. Okay. So x plus 3. The whole thing squared. Whole thing. Then what do we do next? Minus the 3 square. So we bring the 3 and we minus it. Remember to minus it. We ignore the 2 over here for now. So this part is one thing. This part will be equivalent. Now we add back the 2 is 0. So once again, our first step, divide the b term by 2. Then put everything in a square. Then minus the inside thingy. Then we will get x plus 3 squared minus 9 plus 2. This leads to x plus 3 squared equals to 7, right? So what's x plus 3? Square root 7, right? No, not right. We need to do plus minus 7. Well, square root 7. Remember, every time you take a square root, plus or minus, okay? So we will end up with x equals to positive 7 minus 3, or x equals to negative 7 minus 3. So these are two values, and you can graph that, and we're done.